Hi guys, welcome back to Family and Fit to another poverty meal prep. This is poverty meal prep 008. It's been very exciting. I love doing the poverty meal preps just because I like cooking. And if I could do like poverty meal preps like every single day, I would, but I have kids. I got 4 kids. I have 4 kids. So it is kind of hard to do videos every day, so I try to do every other day. Today we will be cooking turkey tacos, which is one of my favorites just because it has a lot of protein in it. Should I say I'm still learning about the calorie counting and the stuff that goes with poverty meal prep, but I'm trying my best, so I'm giving my 138%, so give me that credit, please. So today we're cooking the turkey taco, and I'm actually cooking it right now so you guys can see. It's not all the way done, but looks really delicious. So it's gonna be 2 containers of turkey meat, 1 bag of rolls, 1 bag of Hawaiian rolls. You got the taco seasoning that I'm gonna add in after I drain the turkey meat, and then you're gonna add 2 servings of this Kobe Jack cheese on top of it, and you'll cook in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350 degrees just to let the cheese brown. It's going to be super delicious, so stay tuned because it's just going to be bomb. And we'll be cutting up the green bell pepper and the onion, so we're going to throw that in there as well. I will check in with you guys here in a little bit after the meat gets done cooking, and I will cut up the other ingredients and show you what we got. If you guys have any idea of poverty meal prep meals that you would like me to make, just comment them down below because I'm like more than happy to make them for you guys. So yeah, just comment them down below and we'll get to this. So guys, we are back with the turkey meat. It's done. Check it out. You're ready to add the taco seasoning to it. I'm gonna add the whole thing for 90 calories. Add 2 cups of water. Like that. Put it back on the stove, let it cook some. We're going to turn the heat up to medium. That way we can brown the meat a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm going to be cutting up the bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and the onion.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back.
So what you guys see me do there was I put the onions, the bell pepper, cut them up. I put them in the turkey meat, and I'm going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. And so the turkey meat can get brown. That way it has a good texture and it tastes really good. Because I personally like my meat, brown. So I don't know what you guys like, but that's what I like. So that's how I'm going to do it. And then we're going to get to the other part of the meal, but for right now, we're going to watch this cook. So guys, we are back. Turkey meat is done. Saute the bell peppers and onions. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. Looks really good. So that's what we got for that. And the reason I put the bell peppers, just to give it some volume. So that way you get full faster and you don't eat a whole lot of it. So now we're going to cut this Hawaiian sweet rolls up. We're going to slice them into 2. So we're going to do that now.
Never look back. No.
gonna put this 1/4 of cheese on one side and then another 1/4 on the other side. And for 1/4, it's 110 calories. So I'm gonna add 220 calories to this meal right here.
Way out, I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby.
That's what it looks like. Oh, it's so yummy. So I'm gonna put this baby in the oven. I'm gonna put this baby in the oven for 350 for about 15 minutes so the cheese can get brown, and then we will be back. So we're gonna grab this baby out of the oven. So this is what it looks like. The cheese is melted. Oh, it looks so delicious. I cannot wait to eat it. Okay, it looks so delicious. I think if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.